In this video, I'll guide you through our Perfect BIM workflow using DigiPara Liftdesigner and Autodesk Revit. DigiPara Liftdesigner offers 3 file format options for exporting your elevator group as BIM: RFA, IFC, and LDBIM. The insertion process in Revit is straightforward. For RFA files, simply insert the Revit family, and for IFC files, insert the IFC file. In both cases, the result in Revit is one single family, meaning individual components cannot be selected. Consequently, only one BIM property set can be assigned to the entire elevator. The key difference between RFA and IFC lies in the update process. RFA does not support automatic updates, whereas IFC does. The LDBIM format is the true game changer. Importing the LDBIM into Revit is super easy with the DigiPara Liftdesigner plugin. Unlike IFC and RFA, the LDBIM format breaks down the elevator group into multiple Revit families for elevator components, offering better control of visibility. Additionally, it allows you to add multiple BIM property sets to each component, enabling a more detailed and flexible workflow. Here is how our Perfect BIM workflow with LDBIM works. First, create your elevator group in DigiPara Liftdesigner and configure all necessary settings for your project. This includes loading the LOD sheet and assigning BIM properties to individual components. Select standard BIM properties like IFC or PSET manufacturer type information. Custom BIM properties allow you to define units, types, and export settings tailored to the needs of your project. For example, as mentioned in the BIM execution plan, BEP. Whether your elevator group consists of one or multiple shafts, activate the LOD view frame and export it as an LDBIM file. In the export dialog, specify the exact coordinates and angle for the elevator group. Next, use the DigiPara Liftdesigner plugin to load the LDBIM file into an empty Revit project and verify that all BIM properties have been imported correctly. Once the first group is in place, prepare additional elevator groups in DigiPara Liftdesigner, ensuring all BIM properties and settings are finalized. Export each group as an LDBIM file, including their respective coordinates and angles, and load them into the same Revit project. Repeat this process for every elevator group in your project. If changes are needed later, simply modify the group in DigiPara Liftdesigner, export it again as an LDBIM file, and refresh the file in Revit using the plugin. Once all elevator groups are finalized, you, as the BIM author of the elevator models, can either insert the Revit project into the building model or export it as an IFC file if it needs to be shared with the building BIM coordinator. And that's it! Our efficient, flexible and future-proof BIM workflow with DigiPara Liftdesigner and Revit. Thank you for watching!